What is up, guys? Another week passed by, and it's time for us to review how we did, what we did wrong, and what we can change for the next week. Okay, let's go over my statistics for the week. This is the one, two, three. This is the fourth week of May. Um, as you guys see, I've had a pretty nice a green couple weeks. Uh, Last week I had a red day on Monday, but this week I didn't trade yesterday. Um, I felt like I felt a lot of FOMO. I did have opportunities to get into the trend, but I did not believe the trend. So that's where psychology plays out in trading and can screw your trading plan, right? Luckily, I was up for the week, so I didn't need the I didn't feel the need to jump into the trade and try to make money. So I hesitated. I took it like a good practice for me to hold my hand and not trying to just jump into the trend. Um, and it ended up running without a pullback. So um, after I saw such a big run, I said, "All right, this is not for me. You already missed it." So it's a good practice just to wait, because waiting is a big part of this profession, right? So waiting and developing the waiting trait in your personality plays a big role in being a professional trader, right? So all right, so my numbers for the week. Outstanding week for me, above average. I have a 60% win rate when I usually go around 40%. And for the month, I'm still very low for the month. It's 27%. I've had 16 losers and 6 winners. But the important part here is that I finally came out of the hole. This first 2 week put me around minus 8 to 9 R. Now I'm plus 3 net positive for the month. My expectancy came positive, right? And here's the good part. My average winning performance is 5% per winner and less than 2% per losers. And I do try to keep my losers tight. You all know that. My drawdown for the month was 18%. Like, let's go over my chart lab. We can see the drawdown, right? Here, new equity peak 2 days ago. Um, I had this losing trade today, and then new equity peak right after that. So this is the drawdown chart for all you guys that don't know how to read this chart. Every time it goes to the zero line, it's not a new equity peak in the account, right? Um, so for the week, I'm up 7R. My average is plus 4R, so I'm taking 3 extra Rs for this week, which it puts me in a very good spot for the closing day, which is Tuesday. We won't be here Monday because it's a holiday here in the U.S. So with that, I will pass this to George, where when he will go over his trade for the week and his performance for the week. So please enjoy the weekend, and don't forget the drill. Like, subscribe, and share. Please help us grow this channel. Have all you a nice weekend.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Thank you, Franco. So for me, this is going to be my daily recap as well as my weekly recap all tied up into one. So let's go ahead and take a look. I'm still in this trade, my daily recap. My one trade of the day. We broke out long. I got in late. I had a level here that I was waiting for it to break out above. And we're still in this. It's been a slow grind up. I hit T1 and T2 was up here. Got out of another contract early because I had this level here, and since then, I mean, I hit T2 at, this is the 10:30 candle. This candle closed at 10:30, so before 10:30 I hit my T2, and since then it's now 3 in the afternoon. It's been a slow grind up. It's been finally in the last 15, 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes that it's breaking back out to the upside for my full T3. Guys, I'll see here again. We saw it in the live. Me take this trade in the live this morning. The live session. I've got basically 1R locked in, and I'll make 2.5R if it hits full target up here at $650 will be full target. My R was $250. I was in this for 5 contracts, and this is the trade of the day and my daily recap there. If we take a look at my week, I've had a fantastic week so far, not even including that trade that's not listed here on the edge wonk. 71% win rate, 2 losers, and 5 winners. This is going to be 6 winners as soon as this trade closes out and I can add this 6th one. So I'll have a 75% win rate on the week. So far I'm up 5.74R. I have at least another R locked in, so 6.75. And if I get to the 2.5R, we're looking at over 7, nearly 7.5R, 7.25. So that for me, fantastic week. I like to average. My ideal scenario at the end of the year is that I averaged 5R a week, every week. So can't complain about that. If we go ahead and even jump to my monthly, my win rate has been even better. I think if I win this next trade, I'll be upwards of 80-something% win rate. 3 losers, 11 winners over the last 2 weeks. This is really just over the last 2 weeks, so not the full month. But you'll see here the trade calendar. So starting from last Monday to today, today will be green as well. 3 losing days, 7 winning days, 11R. That's my trade right there. Oh, that was target. Beautiful. So $631, not the full $650 because I made an adjustment to this trade with one of my targets. I got out a little bit ahead earlier than where my normal target would have been because I had a naked POC here from a few days ago or last week that I had some concern over. And that's where it hung out for this little bit. Broke out above. It took forever to finally make this run late on a Friday afternoon. But I followed my plan, right? Breakout, pulled back, got in it long, right at this level, right here on a 5-minute chart. This is the 15-minute, so if we come back and look at the 5-minute, when this candle closed and this candle broke out above, that's where I got in. T1, T1.5, that's target 2, and then finally my runner for a full distance of 4R. Patience pays, people. Got to be patient in this game, not over trade. That's what we talk about every morning. Let's go back to the weekly recap. That's pretty much it from me. A good week. 3 winning days, 2 losing days, but this day was a very small losing day. I lost 1 trade, and then I made some of it back. This hit T1, and then I got stopped out break even on the rest of it. So one of my contracts closed out, and that's where I made some of it back. So I didn't even lose half an R this day, but minus half an R. I had very small losing days this week. My other losing day on Wednesday, same thing. I lost 1 R, and I made basically 1 full R back. So this was a break-even day, not even a red day in all reality. So now this was almost 2.5R. Call it 2.25, plus the 5 3/4, 6, 7, 8. Nice. 8R. 8R on the week. I'll take it. Again, thank you guys for watching. We won't be here on Monday. We'll be back live Tuesday, 9:20 a.m. every single day to show you guys how we trade, our winners, our losers. And have a great Memorial Day weekend, guys. Take care.